हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम बताने वाले हैं कि आज एक बहुत ही अच्छी खुशखबरी आ रही है जो कि पीएम मोदी ने मीटिंग बुलाई थी क्लास 12th के लिए। उसके लिए खुशखबरी है, कैंसिलेशन ऑफ बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम हो गए हैं, कैंसिल हो गए हैं। तो ये सर्कुलर आउट हुआ है प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस से। ये सर्कुलर फेक नहीं है, मैं आपको ये पढ़कर बता देता हूँ इसमें क्या है। ये पढ़ते हैं। CBSE Class 12th Board Exam cancelled. Class 12th result will be made as per a well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. Decision on class CBSE exam has been taken in the interest of student. PM मोदी द्वारा कहा गया है. Health and safety of our student is the first importance and there would be no compromise on this aspect. ये PM मोदी द्वारा कहा गया है. Anxiety among student, parents and teacher which must be put to an end. PM ने कहा क्या है कि एनजाइटी जो थी स्टूडेंट के बीच में और पेरेंट्स के बीच में एंड टीचर के बीच में वो एंड हो चुकी है, क्योंकि इनके ऑर्डर से एंड हो चुकी है, क्योंकि इन्होंने ऑर्डर ले लिया है कैंसिलेशन ऑफ बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम का. Students should not be forced to appear for exam in such a stressful situation. Tell by PM Modi. All stakeholders need to show sensitivity for student. So let's read the notification letter. The Prime Minister chaired a review meeting regarding the Class 12th board exam of CBSE, officially gave a detailed presentation on the wide and intensive consultation held so far and view received from all stakeholders including state government. जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से जो भी रिसीव हुए थे, जो भी सजेशंस, तो उनके बेसिस पर ये डिसीजन लिया गया है. इन व्यू ऑफ द अनसर्टेन कंडीशन ड्यू टू कोविड-19 and the feedback obtained from various stakeholders, it was decided that Class 12th board exam would not be held this year. It was also decided that CBSE will take steps to compile the result of Class 12th student as per a well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. एक समय के अंदर वो अपना वो जो मार्क्स का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्राइटेरिया बता दिया जाएगा CBSE द्वारा. द प्राइम मिनिस्टर सेड दैट द डिसीजन ऑन क्लास 12th CBSE एग्जाम हैज़ बीन टेकन इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट. He stated that COVID-19 has affected the academic calendar and the issue of board exam has been causing immense anxiety among students, parents and teachers, which must be put to end. PM said that COVID-19 situation is a dynamic situation across the country. While the number of the coming down in the country and some states are managing the situation through effective micro containment, some states have still opted for a lockdown. Students, parents and teachers are naturally worried about the health of the student in such a situation. PM said that students should not be forced to appear for exam in such a stressful situation. The Prime Minister stressed that the health and safety of our students is the utmost importance and there would be no compromise on this aspect. He said that in today's time, such exam can't be reason to put off our youth and risk. PM said that all stakeholders need to show sensitivity for student. PM directed officially to ensure that the results are prepared in accordance with the well-defined criteria in a fair and time-bounded manner. Referring to the wide consultative process, PM expressed appreciation that a student-friendly decision have been reached after the consulting all stakeholders from across the length and breadth of India. He also thanked the state for providing feedback on this issue. It was also decided that, like last year, in case some student desire to take the exam, such an option would be provided to them by CBSE. As and when the situation become conducive, ये एक महत्वपूर्ण वो है, खबर है जो बताई गई है कि जब भी सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगी और जो स्टूडेंट्स अपने रिजल्ट से डिज़ायर नहीं होते हैं तो उनको एक मौका दिया जाएगा, ये इस लेटर में लिखा हुआ है और ये ऑफिशियली लेटर है. द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैड अर्लियर हेल्ड अ हाई लेवल मीटिंग ऑन 21 May 2021 which was attended by the minister and official. Thereafter, a meeting under the chairmanship of Union Defence Minister was held on 23 May 2021 which was attended by the Education Minister of State. Various options for conduct of CBSE examination were discussed in the meeting and feedback obtained from the state and UTs. Today's meeting was attended by Union Minister of Home, Defence, Finance, Commerce, Information and Broadcasting, Petroleum and Women and Child Development Ministries and Principal Secretary to PM, Cabinet Secretary and Secretaries of School Education and Higher Education Department and other official. तो ये था पूरा लेटर. तो हमने आपको दिखाया कि किस बेसिस पे लिए जाएंगे. तो थैंक यू. आशा करता हूँ आपको समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू. प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिएगा. थैंक यू.